Hi, are we ready? So I know it's almost time for lunch and we're running a little bit late, but we have one more session just before lunch. It's going to be very quick. It's called Demo Madness. What Madness is, if you're not familiar with it, is we have a bunch of demos outside in the forum, and these institutions will come up for 30 seconds and pitch their demos and then get off the stage. So my job is to kick people off the stage. All right, ready? All right, the first demo is e-detection app for TB detection.
Hi everyone, I'm Jacqueline. I'm a Singaporean. I have been working in Cambodia for the past 2 years for an amazing organization called Operation Asha. Basically, we deliver TB care to the most disadvantaged population there. One of our competitive advantages is using technology to do that. We basically consulted WHO and we came up with this app to detect TB using like risk groups and screening questions and an inbuilt algorithm. And after answering the questions, it basically tells you how to follow up. So through the one-year pilot that was funded by ICTD, we basically...
Okay, that's it. Thank you.
Okay, booth one.
Find her outside. Our next demo speaker is M. Labor, Miriam Khalid.
Hi all, welcome to my labor ward. I'm really busy, so you're gonna have to bear with me. You can see there's 20 patients in here right now. 12 are in labor, active labor, 8 are in latent labor. So do you hear those moans? That's my patient who's actually in the yellow alert zone, so I'm gonna have to attend to her. And if you just heard that, that's for the vaginal exam, so I'll have to talk to you guys later.
Thank you. Demo number 3, QP box.
Medication adherence is a huge problem worldwide. Just think of it, your parents, your grandparents, forgetting to take the medication is not a small issue. In our booth number 3, come and look at for us. The QP box is a solution that we have envisioned to help solve this issue of, to address this issue of medication adherence. Thank you.
Thank you. Demo number 4, MOBUS.
All right, hi, so I'm from Cosmic NTU and I'm here to present the MOBUS application that we have developed. So what we've done is we've taken 3 different aspects, civic engagement, dynamic disease mapping, and health communication. And this trifecta of interventions goes into preventing dengue fever in Sri Lanka. So that's what we've done. Please come down to booth 4 and check us out. Thank you.
Thank you. Demo number 5, JASI Citizens Jury.
Hi. Africa is not poor, but a combination of factors have led to corruption in African countries. What we've been able to do is to provide information to citizens so that they can use their mobile phones, Android and iPhones to track capital projects in the budget. Thank you.
Great. Demo number 6, My Ride Kenya.
What is the value of a single life? 3,000 people die on Kenyan roads annually. If you think that is bad, 21 African countries led by South Africa and Nigeria are worse off. My Ride Kenya makes public transport safe, comfortable and fun. Our app simply enables passengers to connect with the owners of the matatus, the public transport. Anyway, please come to booth number 6. I'll tell you more why the National Transport and Safety Authority supports us and why the corporates in road safety, the top ones, are behind us. Thank you.
Demo number 7, Ulan Mo, Manila.
Unlike other weather applications in the Philippines, Ulan Mo is a system we developed that estimates rainfall for a particular location in current time instead of rainfall for a general area. For example, it would estimate that it is drizzling right now around a particular building instead of how it may be raining in a large city. This can help individuals themselves to prevent rainy places in their daily lives. So if you're interested, check out Demo Team 7 later. Thank you.
Thank you. Demo number 8, Data Duro.
Hi, my name is Matías from Argentina. In Argentina, in the world, we have a problem. The public speeches are based on opinions and not in facts, not in data. So we decided to create an open source mobile app. As you can see, you have different ways to access from data. And Datadur's mission is to provide interest data to citizens for making better decisions in their lives and hold leaders accountable. Thank you. I think it's my time.
Thank you. Demo number 9, Haze Analytic Tools.
I would like to present our Haze Analytic Tools project. It's about solving about the haze problem here in Singapore. We have a mobile phone component and a smartwatch. We use the mobile phone to project the air quality of Singapore. We use the smartwatch for the heart rate. Then we combine those information to provide relevant information for the citizens of Singapore. So please visit us on booth number 9 and it will be interesting to present you our demonstration. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Demo number 10, Farmer Line Voice Messaging Platform.
Farmerline is a company that provides voice technology to assess smallholder farmers. Though this technology works across different sectors, we are focused on agriculture because smallholder farmers produce 75% of the food we need in the world, and they are not getting access to information. This technology works on both feature phones and smaller phones. Thank you. Come to my booth number 10.
Thank you. Demo number 11, an information system for Dimuna.
Family violence is one of the main problems in Cusco region, where Machu Picchu is. We have developed a system that allows Peruvian state detecting, registering, and reporting cases of violence against children and teenagers. It also allows establish statistics for policymakers to make a better decision and take a specific action. I'm in 11 stand. Thank you.
Thank you. Demo number 12, UbiCuts, ubiquitous shortcuts for easy communication.
Our team are coming from NTU Cosmic. When we talk about seniors, we usually have the impression that seniors are very weak and reluctant to accept technologies. But our field study find out that they could be very active and they could be open to new technologies as well. So our project aims to develop some wearables for seniors. If you are interested to find out more, come to our booth at number 12. Thank you.
Thank you. Demo number 13, the ICTD Africa Researchers Network.
ICTD Africa Researchers Network. We are happy to announce that this is our 5th anniversary. If you are interested in doing any research on the continent of Africa, please pass by booth number 13 and let's have a chat. Thank you.
Thank you. Demo number 14, Farmer Query.
Close your eyes for a moment and imagine that you just invested all the $100 you had in growing rice or tomatoes, and you are facing a problem that threatens to destroy your crops. Farmer Query System is designed to address those kinds of problems by creating a mobile application that allows experts in the city to help diagnose problems on the ground through extension agents. Come see us at booth 14.
Thank you. Demo number 15, Lore Boer.
Hi, everybody. My name is Dian Zelmas from Côte d'Ivoire. I'm here to talk about Lore. Lore project is an e-agriculture project to help farmers to sell and make a business. So we bring out a solution platform to supporting modern and efficient agriculture. Come to see us at both 15. Thank you.
Thank you. Demo number 16, Usbong.
Hi everyone, I'm Mike. I'm a teacher from the International Telecommunications University. I'm also the founder of Smong.ph. What we do is we help people build apps. Our mission is to defeat poverty by uplifting human lives through our trust in education and healthcare. And our vision is a community where there is lasting peace. So come visit us at booth number 16, and I'll be glad to talk with you later. Thank you.
Thank you. Demo number 18, Creative You.
Hi, my name is Ayan Kishore. I work at Creative Associates International. As development practitioners, our core responsibility is developing the capacity of people. It's expensive to do that face-to-face, and in conflict regions where we work, it's almost impossible to do that face-to-face. So we've been trying to figure out how do we do that with blended learning, and didn't find anything good on the market, so ourselves built a open source solution with LMSs and CMSs to provide such training. It's now been actively deployed in 10 countries, and we're making it commercially available, so come check it out if it's useful for your organization. Thank you.
Thank you. Demo number 19, native for the reading of Shona.
UNESCO says when a child learns in their mother tongue, they learn concepts to memory better. Many African languages are dying. My name is Ian, and I'm an engineer and advocate for mother tongue learning and preservation. I create local language learning apps for children, and I sell them to their parents. Africa is not poor. Thank you.
Thank you. Demo number 20, Surelator, a statistical machine translator.
Yeah, my name is Teddy Mantoro. I'm from Indonesia. So as you know, Indonesia, we have 240 million people. Unfortunately, English is not our second language, okay? So what happened is, we have very low number of people speak English. Less than 10% of population, they not speak English, unfortunately. So we develop a tools, what we call as Surelator. We study around 28 variable. It took us around 270 million experiment. Every single experiment, it took us between 2 until 9 hours.
Thank you.
So please visit booth number 20. Thank you.
Thank you. Demo number 21, Singam, a Perso-Arabic Indic script machine transliteration system.
In Indian subcontinent, we have many languages which are written in more than one script. They are either written in Arabic, Perso-Arabic, or in Indic script, which are totally incomprehensible. So people can understand the language, but they cannot read the script. So we have developed a system which can automatically translate from Urdu, Sindhi, and Punjabi language from one script to another. Thank you.
Thank you. Demo number 22, Tiflo Libros, a digital library for the blind.
Hello, we are Pablo and Maria Laura from Tiflo Libros, a digital library for the blind. You can see what we are working on.
Production. Tiflo Libros is a collaborative project, a seizable library of digital books. Tiflo Libros have 48,000 books and 7,000 users. But there are much more still to do. Know about us, support us, choose inclusion.
Thank you. You can learn more at booth 22.
Thank you. Demo number 22, Continuous Professional Development for Kenya Medical Practitioners and Dentists Board.
Isaiah from Nairobi, Kenya. Come to booth 23 to learn how we are pushing content to the doctors, both in rural and urban centers, and helping them grow and increase on their capacity to improve on evidence-based medicine.
Hi, I'm Sonal Zaveri, mentor for Use-Focused Evaluation, Project DESI. So I'm going to evaluate Demo Madness in 30 seconds. Who are my users? The organizers of Demo Madness? Please identify yourself. What are your terms of use, evaluation use? Maybe you want to advocate the value of Demo Madness. Donors want to know? What are your key questions? To what extent did participants learn from the other presentations? Well, let's find out. Faster Demo Madness, maybe next time. Come to booth number 24.
Thank you. And that's the end of Demo Madness. So we have a few announcements before lunch.
Just some quick logistics. We're going to break for lunch. We'll return here at 2 p.m. As usual, lunch is out in the foyer. Just for those of you who've been looking for the papers that are related to the plenaries and the notes, they are now available in the ACM library for download as PDFs. So if you just go to the ACM library and do ICTD2015, the URL is also available on our Twitter feed as well as the Facebook account. In case you're facing any problems there, we've also made a Dropbox it's on the website as well, yeah. So Twitter feed, Facebook, website, and we've also created a Dropbox folder for those of you who might just want to go to one place and just grab it down from there. So see you here back in an hour, 2 p.m. Thank you so much for the posters madness, notes madness. This is excellent stuff. Thank you.